To adjust the motion detection of the cameras, we come to the bottom left. Click on Setup. From Setup, click on Channel. Now we scroll down to where we have motion. We can currently see all our cameras that are live. Let's click this switch to activate it, and click on Apply for the changes to be applied. Now we can make changes to the cameras with the switches activated. We can control their motion. Let's say for channel 1 or the camera connected on channel 1, we click on this gear icon to go into the settings area. Here we can either clear all or select all. When we clear all, whenever there is motion in this channel, it won't detect it. Or if we select all, whenever there is motion somewhere on this channel, it will be detected. If, let's say, for example, we didn't want detection in a particular region, we could easily remove it like this. Now on the top half of our screen, whenever there is motion in that region, it won't be detected. And on the bottom half of the screen shown in red, whenever there is motion in that region, it will be detected. You just right-click to go back, and always apply your changes whenever you make them. This is how to adjust the motion detection of the cameras.